This is Monday, week 7. This is day 12 of database in SQL. We talked a little bit about the individual assignment. Students should be working on that. A couple tables. Entity, relational diagrams, entity relationships. And then we did the skills base on SQL. Financial aid, students need to be taking care of that. And also we looked up some Venezuela, their cryptocurrency just released the petrol in February. We did a little research on that to start off with. Individual database. Key things in terms of data analysis. We have data converted to information. We have raw data in. So key things to look for is, first of all, what are you going to do with the data? We're going to talk a lot about, from here on out, how do we model the data to make it so we can retrieve and set it up in a database most efficiently. We also then referred to then entities. Once you know what you want from the database, figure out what data you're going to put in to get that out, what analysis you can do, then you can start splitting it up in entities, and then list your attributes with the entities. Once you have the entities, you look at the relationships between the entities. Sometimes I'll draw it out like tables, and then we'll take a look at how a field in one table may become a foreign key in another table. Maybe this one also a foreign key in another table. Alright, so students need to be working on their individual database. Okay, I already talked about data modeling. Then we looked a little bit at a diagram. Talk a lot more about these next time we meet. We have an artist compiles an album. One artist can have many albums, one to end. An album, when it has two lines going back up in this direction here, get these two lines, looking at it this way. That means an album has to have an artist. Over here we have attributes, same thing here, we have attributes, attributes, attributes. This is a weak entity, it cannot exist on its own, it has to have an artist. You can't have an album without an artist, at least in this database, how this is being designed. An album contains, this again is a weak relationship, tracks. A track has to be connected to an album, and an album has to have tracks, double lines. See that? Okay. So here again is a one-to-many relationship. One-to-many relationship. We're going to talk more about these the rest of the term. Okay. So, then the students then did the skills-based assessment on SQL. We get an idea of where we're at and where we have to do some work. Alright, that's it.